Futurecast.
All right, good afternoon. A few records in jeopardy as we head into the weekend because of the very cold weather. Let's start with Saturday. Now, on Saturday morning, our temperatures could get close to tying or breaking that low temperature record of 16 degrees set in 1956. The coldest high temperature on Saturday was 35 degrees from 1987. So if our high temperatures managed to not make it to 35, we'd break that cold high temperature record as well. In addition, there's Friday to talk about. Now, our record for tomorrow's low temperature is 22 degrees set in 1995. We're not going to break that tomorrow morning, but we could get close tomorrow night as temperatures go tumbling into the 20s. So we could actually have several records falling, or at least we could get close to several records over the next couple days. That's not going to happen today. In fact, not a bad afternoon to be outside for November. In Narragansett right now, we are seeing blue skies, a light breeze there from the south. 54 is your temperature in Tiverton, so a nice recovery from the temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s overnight. Nothing showing up on live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Notice some showers to our south showing up on satellite and the cold front to our north and west. Out ahead of that front, we may bring in 1 or 2 showers this evening through the overnight hours and potentially some snow squalls here in upstate New York and western New England. And then by tomorrow morning, we're talking sunshine, dry conditions, but temperatures very, very cold, which we'll talk about in just a second. In fact, as we head into tomorrow, the winds will really start to pick up. So even though our numbers staying in the 30s, it's going to feel much colder. This evening, temperatures actually much milder than last night, staying in the 40s. But then here's the situation for very early tomorrow morning. It doesn't look like a bad start, but then here comes that cold front. So 5 o'clock in the morning, temperatures in the upper 40s. And then as this front pushes through some point during the morning commute, winds pick up and temperatures just go crashing down into the 30s. The sun tries to warm things up without much success. Notice as we go into the noon hour, temperatures staying in the low 30s, then actually tumbling into the upper 20s by Friday evening. At this point, the winds really start to get going as well. So for much of Friday, wind chills in the 20s and then potentially wind chills into the teens, maybe even some single digits overnight Friday into Saturday morning. Saturday itself, breeze is slacking up a little bit, but a high of only 38 degrees with mostly sunny skies. So some cold weather on the way, Danielle.
Yeah, no doubt. All right. Thank you, Pete. In other news this noontime, Las Vegas launched a dry